YouTube! This is how I got monetized in 30 days on YouTube. Everything I'm about to tell y'all with this method, you can do for yourself too, man. It's not hard, man. I'm not special, ain't nothing special about me, man. So first we're gonna go to how this all started off. I have always wanted to be a YouTuber. I was at the office where me and my friend Shade, if y'all know him, I started playing True Die from Shade. One day I was at the office and I was like, man, I wanna do YouTube, man. But I don't know what to do. I was like, Shade, help me, man. What do I do? And Shade's like, man, what do you mean, bro? I'm making a whole video game that's viral right now, that's popping right now. Make a channel, hop in the gameplay, and play with us, and put it on your YouTube channel. I was like, damn, that's a good idea. So I started streaming the game. I had started getting a lot of people to be that was like, dang, I like his videos. And because they seen me with Shade all the time, it was like, is he helping making the game or something? I don't know. People would thought maybe I was helping making the game. So a lot of people just started subscribing and showing love because I also was next to Shade every time an update or anything went down. Anything new with the game, I was one of the first people to make a video on it because Shade was right there making the game in front of me every single day. I was always right there. I just kept doing my videos, learning how to make thumbnails, realizing that thumbnails and titles are important. I ain't even gonna cap, I was just doing it for fun, and that's what I be telling y'all. You gotta do this stuff for fun sometimes. I wasn't thinking like, oh, I need to hurry up and get subscribers, I need to hurry up. I was just having fun, I swear. I like to play video games, and I always wanted to be a YouTuber, and I like doing YouTube videos. So it was a double, I like doing both. My very first video didn't get no views. After my like third or fourth video, when I started getting a little bit better, I started getting some good, decent views, but I wasn't getting crazy views. They started going viral. I had a video hit like 46,000 views, or I think it was like 35,000, I forgot. After that, I had reached my goal of subscribers. When I looked up, I was like, dang, Shade, how long has it been, bro? It hasn't even been that long. It had felt like it was like 2 or 3 weeks. It wasn't even 30 days yet, and I already had 4,000 hours of watch time and over 1,000 subscribers. I was like, whoa, bro, I can start getting paid for this? He's like, yeah. He's like, bro, I just put you on. So it's always good to have a friend that know you. They be like, do this. Then once I got monetized, I hurried up and applied to YouTube. Bro, they literally approved me in one day. They was rocking with me. I ain't even gonna lie. I applied to get monetized and they literally approved me in one day. It was crazy, bro. Each video I post, it can make any amounts of money. There's no limit. It can go anywhere. So I started posting and posting and posting. We started having issues. I could have kept posting, but I just wanted the channel to be about the game at that point. The channel is called ToonATP. It's about me. It's my journey. So I can't just be stuck on just making videos about the game. So then later, when I was being on and off of YouTube, I started to realize that I need to make other videos besides just videos about the game and how I blew up. I can't just stay in the area of what made me get the 1,000 followers, because at that point, it's like I'm gonna be stuck on the past and things die down. Not everything lasts forever. But once I did all my videos and I kind of sat back, a lot of my videos started to gain traction and go up. I ended up making money from all the videos that I posted, but I was making money too when I was posting them. I ain't gonna lie, I was liking it. It was a good feeling. I was officially now a YouTuber, but I didn't feel like I was officially a YouTuber, you know what I mean? It didn't feel real because I've always wanted to have that. It was right there now. I had it now, and it didn't feel real. It was crazy. I'm gonna show y'all how much my channel has made, because I know probably people are curious how much small channels make. So we're gonna go there and do that over in the computer, and I'm gonna show y'all how much I make. Right here on my channel, man, I know a lot of y'all probably was wondering how much I make or how much I made for all the TOD videos. I was happy with the results. It was okay. YouTube Studio, we're gonna go to Analytics, and we're gonna go to Lifetime. And as y'all can see, for me making 316,000 views total on my channel for the lifetime, I made $387. Every time it was hitting the $100, it would pay out. And it was a hell of a journey, man. Just imagine doing this on one video in one day. 300 to 400 in a day. Just off of uploading videos. It's that simple. Here's one way y'all can do the same thing just like me and get your subscribers up. Do something you like doing. Don't think about the subs, just have fun and be you. On top of me making the True or Die videos, it was still my personality that made people be like, oh, I rock with Toon, you know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of people out there that's going viral off anything, man, and you could do it, bro. And it ain't no special human being that could be doing this. Anybody could do this and have fun with what you're doing, have fun with your videos. Don't overthink and just do it, bro. I appreciate y'all for subscribing and helping me to complete this journey, because I wouldn't have been able to do it without y'all. Appreciate y'all watching, appreciate y'all clicking the video, and man, just like the video for me, man. It's free, and subscribe, man. Help me out with that so we can keep this journey going, man. It's ToonATP, man. We out.
Yeah, ooh, come at the coupe, yeah. Ooh, young nigga shoot out the roof. Hop on a motherfucking whip with